Hello everyone and welcome to the another video on Next.js. So this is going to be the third video in this course and today we are going to learn about data fetching. So before starting with the web development series, let's learn about data fetching. So I have already started the local server using the command npx nextdev, and here is my server running. And let's go to the Visual Studio. So first of all, we will learn about the static data fetching. And for that, let's create a file and let me just remove these files over here, these about and services pages that we created in the last video, so that you guys don't get confused. And now inside the All right, now inside the src directory, we will create a new folder, a new directory by the name utils. Let's say utilities. So utils, and inside the utilities, let's create a static data file. And let's say it is product products.js. Let's create a static data export const products equals to, so this will be an array, and inside the array we will have several items. So first of all, id will be, let's say, 01, and then let's say product name will be, let's say, iPhone 15, and then let's say we have another data, let's say it's brand Apple, and let's say price price is, let's say, 1000 USD. Just like this, we will, I'm sorry about that, we'll create few more data, and let's say the ID is 2, and it is S23 Ultra, and let's say the brand is Samsung, and the price is, let's say, $999, and third one is, let's say, it's Oppo A15, and the brand is, let's say, Xiaomi, and the price is, let's say, $790. And the fourth data is, let's say it is Nord 12. Let's say the brand is OnePlus, and the price is $889. And the fourth one is, oh, sorry, the fifth one is, let's say it is um, BB56. Let's say the brand is BlackBerry, and the price is, let's say, $699. Okay, so here we have static data wherein we have a variable by the name products that contains an array of these data, and we are going to call this inside our home page. over here. So let's say it's products, and inside the products, we will create an unordered list. And inside the list, we are going to use a map function. So here we'll call the products. So guys, you can see when we are typing products over here, it is already giving you an option to import this variable from the file, from this product.js file. It says the path is utils and products. So sometimes you might encounter an issue like you might not get this suggestion over here, for example like this. And what you need to do is you need to hit control plus space bar, and you will get the suggestion over here. And once you get the suggestion, you need to hit the enter button, and it will automatically import the products from utils products. Okay, now we will run the map function products dot map, and inside map we will declare a variable, let's say item, and we'll use an arrow function. And inside this arrow function we will create, let's say instead of unordered list, let's make it ordered list, OL, like this. And inside this, let's say we have a list item, li. See, we have got 5 items over here. And here we need to declare a key. Key is equals to item dot id, and then we will write our product name over here. That will be item dot name. So if you see, we have got all of the details over here. And we can also do one thing. We can create a table as well. So for that, what we will do is let's create a table. Now table, and inside the table, let's say we have t head. Inside the t head, we have tr. Inside the tr, we have it's th. Let's say let's say name, and then name, and then we have brand, and then we have third is price. So we have price. All right, so we have got name, brand, and price. Let's use a little bit of CSS over here. So for CSS, what we will do is inside the public folder. So if you can see, we have a public directory. Inside the public directory, we are going to create a new directory by the name CSS, and just delete these 2 files. We do not require them. And inside the CSS, we are going to create our style.css file. And inside the style.css file, let's say table width is 100%, and height, max width is going to be, let's say 30 rem, and let's say height is auto, and the t head tr th. The th is going to be border 1 pixel solid. Yes. All right, it's not working. Why? It's table t head tr th. Table t head tr th. Border is 1 pixel. It's absolutely correct, but it's not working. Why so? Let me check. And inside table tbody tr and td is going to be the same. It might not take the css properties because let's give it a class name. Let's say table, and instead of this, dot table and dot table. Okay, it's not working because we need to import this CSS file. For that, we will go to the layout.js file, and over here we will import our CSS file, import. So for I hope everybody knows that in order to go back to the previous directory, we need to write dot slash forward slash, and it's taking us to the app, and again we need to go out of this directory. So again dot slash, and now we need to go to public. Inside public we have css, and inside css just write the name of the file, style.css, and see, we have got this. All right, now again so you can see that after putting the borders, there is a padding in between the two cells. In between these cells there is a padding, so we need to just, you know, we need to just end this padding. For that we will just simply write border collapse is collapse, and see, the padding is gone now. Okay, so after that we have got these things, and let's create one more column by the name action. And now let's say the th is going to be, let's say the class, not the class name, say style is equals to, let's not do it here. Let's go to the style.css, and inside that th, make it background color, 000 black, and the text color is white. All right, now we'll go to tbody, and inside tbody we will create the, we will write the map function over here. So products dot map item, and then we'll write tr, and we'll put a key over here, that is it should be item dot id, and inside tr we have td. So first one is name, so it's item dot name. We've got the name over here. And one more thing, let's make it text align center. Okay, cool. Now item name, and then we'll take td item dot brand, and now we need the price, td item dot price, and td we need an action. So over here in action, let's create an href tag, href. So we are not going to do any much over here. We are just simply keeping it blank, and we'll write view. So here you go. If you can see, we have got this table over here with our data. So we have fetched, so this is a static data that we have fetched from this product.js page. And that's all for this video as of now. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.